We start on the FedBizFind homepage at fedbizfind.com. On this page, simply click any of the blue buttons or click Register. Add your name, company name, email address, phone number, and create a password. If your company is registered for government contracting and you know your CAGE code, enter it here. If you would like to know more about what a CAGE code is and how to get one, click the Help question mark to watch a brief tutorial. If you include a CAGE code, the FedBizFind system will attempt to retrieve your industry codes from your federal profile. A CAGE code is not necessary to use the FedBizFind system. We'll skip adding a CAGE code for now. Next, add your capability statement. This is a description of what your business does. Provide as much detail as you like in whatever format you like, such as keywords or sentences. The more information you provide, the better the system will be able to find matching opportunities for you. I'm going to add a list of computer-related services as a keyword set. Once you're done, review the terms of service and privacy policy that explains that this is a proprietary system, click the checkbox, and hit the Next button. The next step is to choose your specialties or the core of what your business does. There are two ways that you can do this. Your first option is to search through the primary industry categories. If you see a category that seems to match, you can click on it to reveal more specific subcategories. To the right of the description, you'll see a NAICS code. This is a 6-digit code that the government uses to categorize each specific industry. You can click through to see more details about the code, and you can also see how many open contracts are currently available for each code. If you find a code that matches your business, simply click the checkbox to include it in your profile. Add as many codes as you like. For most people, the easiest way to sort these industries is by using the Filter by Keyword field at the top of the page. Simply type a keyword for your industry, and the system immediately drills down to all possible industry codes based on that keyword. Once again, click the checkbox for any codes that match and choose as many as you like. I'm going to choose 3 codes that best match related to my computer services. Once you're done, click the Next button. If you can perform work anywhere, choose the option titled I can provide services anywhere in the world. If your work area is more restricted, choose the first option. You'll have the ability to type in your work area by city, county, or state. As you enter information, the system drills down to related areas. Choose as many as you like. When you're done, hit Next. In the Special Programs section, you have the ability to identify special government programs that you know your business qualifies for. Most of our users qualify as small businesses. Many others may qualify as woman-owned, veteran-owned, etc. Review each option. If you have questions, simply click and review the Help icon. Each help tool also links out to more information about the topic. If you're unsure or know that you don't qualify for these programs, simply click one of those 2 options here. When you're finished, click I'm done. The system will now search for opportunities that match you based on your profile work description, industry codes, work area, and special program answers. Each opportunity is listed in order based on how well the FedBizFind system thinks the opportunity matches your profile. You can see the match score here. If you hover over the bar, you'll see the match percentage. Each opportunity lists the title, agency, synopsis, solicitation ID, solicitation type, response deadline, and posted date. If you're interested in subcontracting, FedBizFind conducts custom research on each notice to identify possible subcontracting opportunities. If the system has identified subcontracting opportunities, you'll see that indicated right here. You can also choose to see only those opportunities that include subcontracting by simply choosing the display filter Subcontracting Opportunities. If you find an opportunity that interests you, click the title. You'll see more details about the opportunity, including a link directly out to the notice in Biz Opps. FedBizFind is the only system that provides real language explanations of important criteria, such as the type of solicitation, the notification stage, and explanation of set-asides. As you scroll through the notice, you'll see all the details provided by the government. At the bottom, you'll see the place of performance where the contract is being performed and the contracting officer point of contact. If you're interested in bidding on this opportunity directly, click on Save to My Opportunities. This trains the system to place a higher priority on these types of jobs for you, which improves your search results. Once saved to My Opportunities, you'll see some additional guidance about reviewing the response guidelines, verifying your government registrations, and preparing your capability statement or government resume. If the job is not right for your company, simply click this button and choose a reason why. This action also trains the system to de-emphasize opportunities like these in the future. As you choose to add or exclude specific opportunities, the system learns patterns of association and works to generate more of what you like and less of what you don't. Finally, if the opportunity includes a subcontracting option, you'll see this notice on the right side of the page. FedBizFind conducts custom artificial intelligence research to identify what are called targeted primes. Targeted primes are prime contractors that have the highest statistical likelihood of bidding on and winning this contract. If you're a subcontractor, these are the prime contractors you want to connect with. As more features are added to the FedBizFind system, we'll continue updating this guided tour. Thank you. We start on the FedBiz